my finger when the knock comes in. Oops, I'll just get the clip again. Just at that point, it's the classic kind of rattling noise in the background that you can hear, and we can play that through again just as a. So what you can see is that we've achieved a significantly higher value of 93, and what we'll do now is, there we go. What we'll do now is we'll basically adjust the alerts within the device so that the device will actually trigger and we'll get the warnings that we'd like to see. So we'll scroll through the settings, and where